Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you today? Well, it's all about hands and feet because they are notoriously tricksy. And the thing is, it's not just the complexity, it's the expectation. And I think that's down to the fact that our hands are very expressive, they move, the feet, they move around as well, and we tend to get a little bit anxious. So I've got a couple of tips for you. First of all, proportion-wise, your hand is about the same size as your face, your chin to your hairline. Your foot is about the same size as your chin to the top of your head. There will be people out there now trying to get their foot next to their head. Please don't do that. If you really need to, pick up your shoe and do it with your shoe, not with your foot inside the shoe. You know what I mean. Let's be sensible, people. So that's proportion number one. But then you can break it down into shapes. So for example, my hand, there's kind of a wedge shape for my hand. My fingers are kind of like cylinders, sausages coming off the end of my wedge shape. There's kind of a triangle shape there for my thumb. Break things down into shapes that are simple. Feet, for example, are wedge shape with circles. So have a play with breaking things down with shapes. Sketch your own hand or foot and just do it really, really quickly, just in shapes. Don't look to finish anything. Just have a play. We delve into this in some of the workshops I've got available within the Academy and in the workshop VIP upgrade. The link's down below. Feel free to check it out because it is really useful to do. But remember, proportions and then break everything down into shapes. Fingers, by the way, are about halfway. Your knuckles is about halfway from there to your wrist. Always look at proportions and then think about shapes. Don't think about details. And that's the key to drawing hands and feet. So if you like this, come join me, come join the Academy, all the likes, subscribes, you know what to do. And I'll see you next week in another 2-minute art hack. Bye.